Hello and welcome to the series Tools for Project Managers, Product Managers and Product Owners. I'm looking at Zeplin. It's a collaboration tool for designers. It focuses on improving the collaboration between designers and engineers, providing them with most accurate resources out there. The whole idea is that to export the design from other products like Sketch, Adobe XD, Figma, Photoshop CC into Zeplin so that you can have more collaboration. So also with that you can generate the development resources automatically, whether it will be CSS or etc. So you can select the platform you're designing for and let Zeplin take care of the rest, generating accurate tailored specs, assets and code snippets that will go straight into the product. So here you've got a specification, you've got the relevant assets, and you've got the relevant colors. So here you've got a particular button, width 142, height is 40 pixels, border radius is 20 pixels, background color is this, and they've called it, the background color, they've called it Tiffany blue. So it's sort of quasi replicating this here. Then we look at the most interesting thing here is that the free version is great, costs you nothing, and it allows you for one project. The next one is $17 a month. It allows you for 3 active product projects, and you've got $26 a month, and that allows you for 12 active projects. If you're an organization, you can pay $129 a month, unlimited projects, and it includes 12 members. There's an additional $10.75 per month for additional members. I think for what you get, this is entirely a good product. I'm hoping to carry out a more in-depth evaluation of this product tool in the not too distant future. Please like, comment and share this video. Please also subscribe or follow my channel. Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.